Very good morning. Okay, I'm owner of the Aki Motors, and I'm preparing a van for sale. Uh, I sell vans, so this is my first YouTube video saying that way. So I will go through the process. In case my video cut out, my apology. It's only because I got quite a few calls. So yeah, so on this van, I just have a quick look around and we'll require front disc pads, uh, oil service, and ABS sensor. On ABS sensor, I think so is just a clean because I took the van for a test drive and the light don't come on, but I will check. It's on the rear left, the ABS sensor. Sometimes the light is coming on. So let me show you how we do. Check the van, everything on the van. I go lift it. Sorry about the noise. We got the heater working on the back. You can see it's quite cold. So yeah, so to keep warm. So yeah, so we go start changing the brake pads on the front. After that, go on the back, and after that, oil service, and look anything underneath. Of course, I, I look before I order already the parts what I need, so I can do this video. It's my first time. I try create YouTube channel as well. So yes, so please behave with me. I'm not good on these things, videos, all that kind of things, but I will try my best. Um, my English is not the best as well. I'm in UK almost 23 years now. Got my own business over. It's going to make 11 years legal. Of course, everybody start doing the trade when you're home is something like that. So I got my company for 11 years. So yeah, so I just on open a YouTube channel. I got it for a long time, but I never post there. I post a few things, but now I go start posting a few more times, and yeah. So I will go. It's gonna be the trade live, saying that way. Collections, deliveries, checkovers, all test drives, is all that things. Of course. So let me stop speaking and let me do some work. Let me put some gloves. My apology. Yeah, so we got already all the parts here. So it's gonna be nice and easy, hopefully. Sometimes it's not, but hopefully it is. It's gonna be saying that way. So let's go. So machine, and some glad it's a 19. Just checking. Okay, so I need to collect the light. It's here. Just to have a bit more light. So it's quite low. I will show somebody change already the wheel bearing. So it's quite good. So let's go. It's coming out. So what I go try to do is pulling the caliper just a bit back to give me a bit room to be a bit easier. Careful. Very careful with that. Can jump and go in your face. That is not going to be good at all. So you can see it's nice and loose now. So we need to take out the screws on the back. And we got the correct one. Sorry, I don't got my glasses with me. I'm I'm doing this shop for 11 years, so I know almost every single one. I got it. So, and of course, we got the tools. So now, it's supposed to come nice and easy, and it is. And nice and easy out. So that is why you can see the size. You can see that is why I replaced the front pads. I'm because this one is go for sale. I'm not happy with that. So that is one of my standards, of course. So yeah, so let's change it. You can see as well. Perfect. Let me get the new ones. We got the new ones here. So I go give a quick clean around, just make sure everything is nice and clean. So, and put the carrier back to fit the new pads. So one of the good things is sees the new pads is in the correct one. So you can see the size what is before. So yeah, quite a big difference. So you can see it's nice and same size. So no difference. So it's a match. We got a match. So very important to check that, please. So I go put the carrier back. Sorry, we got all the tools on the back, on my back. So tools, tables, everything. So it's more easier for myself. So you pick up a clamp like this, and just nice and gentle push it back. Don't need a lot of pressure, just a bit pressure, and it's going nice and slow. So when it's done no more, happy days, it's done. So one thing is what I like to do is clean these ones, because these ones is help a lot for the carrier move in and out when you're pressing the brakes. So yeah, so I go clean it. So a bit. Don't need to be perfect. It's just to take out the dust and stay almost like new. And you can see the big difference, of course. Not the big difference, but it's a bit different now, as you can see, comparison to the old one. See, dirty. This one is done. So, one. Yeah. So VW VW brakes on the front is quite easy to change it, So no big issues saying that way. We are doing on the driver's side. Remember, we are in UK, so right hand side is the driver's side. Yeah. Yep. I'm happy. So you can see, and with the tiny brush, just clean around there. It's just better, It's a it's a good job saying that way. Of course, everybody got his own way to work. I got mine, and I like to do this way. I can take more time, but I know what I want to do. And when a customer comes to buy a van, I know what's happened, what has been changed. I'm not a person